All right, so if you have mastered the front circle punch, a logical next thing to do might be the rear single punch, which you could also think of it, by the way, as the rear circle punch, because that's kind of how it's done. The big difference, by the way, we call this the RSP in Speedbag Bible notation, the RSP, the rear single punch. First of all, I'm standing with my right fist behind the bag, the opposite side of the bag from where my face is. My upper arm is parallel with the ground, and I can do a simple reverse rolling motion compared to what I would do in a front circle punch, and I can make the bag rebound towards my face. So that first heavily accented rebound is coming towards my face. Now, obviously, you can't have your head in the way, okay? And one of the things on the rear single punch is, if you were seeing what I'm doing, you would actually go, well, your fist is not really exactly right behind the bag. You kind of got it off to the side. Yeah, I do, because that makes it a lot easier. What I'm really doing when I do an RSP, it's the bag, in other words, instead of having the bag rebounding directly back at my face, it's almost going at a 45-degree angle, okay? And so I'm still hitting in the back quadrant of the bag from the rear, and it is the triplet rhythm. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And the bag is rebounding over my left shoulder, okay? So I'm standing here, I've got my right hand extended, quote unquote, behind the bag. But when I hit, it's kind of heading, the bag is heading towards my left shoulder. There's no way for it to hit my face unless I very badly mess up. And that's the way that I do the RSP. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, right, 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 right. Of course, you can also do the RSP with the left hand. Okay, this setup is very similar. My left arm is now behind the bag, upper arm is parallel. I am going to roll my forearm, my left forearm, in small little circles, but I'm going in the opposite direction of what I do with the front circle punch because I'm coming from behind the bag. So in other words, I'm rolling the fist towards my face. And again, you could quibble and say, well, your hand's not exactly behind the bag. No, it's, again, off to the side a little bit so that the bag will rebound. Now I'm punching with my left. The bag will come over my right shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Okay? And that is the rear single punch, the RSP. Is of course recommended that you're able to do it fluidly with both your strong arm, whatever that may be, and your weaker arm. And that's really all there is to it.